Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 4 of the Advent of Code 2025. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problems. On the 4th day of Christmas, Advent of Code gives to me. So the format, we have 20 seconds left, so I have to be quick. The format is that I am going to solve it live. The first portion, and then we'll go over the solution, the second portion. Feel free, you're watching this on YouTube probably. Feel free to fast forward, do whatever you need to do. But we have 5 seconds, so let's go. I know I start early, but I should be faster than this, but I forgot my API. I haven't done it for how much this, but yeah. What is it again? The rows. Okay, so yeah. Alright, 1493. My eyes are so tired. Alright. I mean, that was a full loop, so okay. 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 We move them all at the same time, or? Oh, I'm not showing the right thing. Sorry, friends. I mean, yeah, we'll go over it later. Yeah. This is what happens when you do things live. Okay. Does that work? I don't even know. So, I forget if there's go to. I'll have to do some like crazy things. Okay, that's not the syntax. Well, I think we can just break. 43 is right. Maybe I have to make it faster though. Oh, I mean, maybe I still do, but let's see if it's right first. All right. I mean, we got it. We'll optimize it though, because that's really slow. What's the time? I mean, we'll just run it. I mean, I do it one at a time, which is probably too slow. We can probably do that in concurrently. Like we can probably remove that, right? But I just wasn't, because that technically might not. Oh, huh. The reason why I did it that way is because I wasn't super convinced about. Maybe I should have been okay. But I was worried that there's some like weird order of operation thing. So just doing it in fewer passes cuts it down really quickly. And maybe that's good enough. Are there more optimizations we can do? But the thing is that it works for this problem, right? But you have to kind of prove it. It doesn't always work on like these kind of problems, but this problem it does, right? And the reason is just because when you remove a toilet bowl, is it? When you remove a toilet bowl, oh, I forgot to stop the timer. I mean, it doesn't matter, but when you remove a toilet bowl, the state of the game, if you want to call it that, only gets better, right? Meaning that you only have strictly higher number of choices. So I think that maybe it's good enough to prove, but I didn't want. I don't know. I think it could have gone either way, because in the sense that, or maybe I should have just print out RNC just to see how big it was, because I was kind of flying a little blind there, because why did I print? Oh, why did that get in there? Maybe I pressed tab or something. But 140 by 140, okay. Because the reason why I say that is just because it becomes like n to the 4th, which, as you can see, took 23 seconds. But the thing is that if this optimization, even though it's really fast, if this was incorrect, then I have to wait 1 minute before I submit again, and so I guess there is this like, do I have a better than 23/60 chance of, and you don't know how long it runs either. So there are a lot, but well, it's n to the 4th, so it would have been. I mean, this is, I don't know if 23 seconds is fast or slow, but it's definitely reasonable. Maybe if I had PyPy set up, it would have been, there's no question. Maybe I knew to set up PyPy. The last time I looked, it just had issues on Mac, on Silicon Mac or whatever. Okay, let's go over the actual solution. I mean, I was kind of pseudo going over the first part. My apologies for not showing it on the thing, but I mean, it's just for loops, right? And some of my slowness is just that I forgot my APIs. I have some helpers, as you can see here, my comments. These are kind of my things that I have. Just some of them are just reminders, right? Like how to use sorting using a key, scan numbers. Actually, this might have been helpful yesterday, I think, or whatever. But because these are just helper functions that I wrote, we can maybe go over it if people are interested. But it's not that. I mean, anyone can implement this given a lot of time, so it's not that interesting. This just gets the rectangle, which is what I use, but I forget to. I was like, oh, oops. So I had to do that and set it up. It's just for loop, right? So hopefully that wasn't too whatever. We just have for loops. We add it, if this is a thing, we look at the next 8 direction. This is also a thing that I help with, that I have D8 or D4 for grid stuff. Just make it slightly faster. I don't know, and then just yeah. I mean, I don't think part 1 was that interesting. A lot of it was, I mean, like in terms of my solution to solve is just, part 2. I think the tricky thing is just trying to do the proof. I mean, I knew how to do it immediately. I don't know how long I end up taking. I don't know. I have this like plugin that tells me the delta time, I suppose. Huh, I didn't win yesterday, did I? Huh. Nope, that's yesterday's. Yeah, I mean 2 minutes and 50 seconds on part 2, which is probably a little bit slow. Why did I do that again? I don't remember. Well, I mean, I guess 23 seconds or so was me typing out, but oh, because I was trying to do go to and stuff like that. I don't know. I mean, a lot of it was just copy. I mean, I copy and paste and then added a while loop. I was debating whether I could do it all at the same time, kind of thing, but I don't know. Either way, I mean, we already kind of talked about it. I think the optimization, I don't know. I think, and especially if you use like another language, not Python, it's not even worth thinking about. Like you could just do a go to and then break and then just do it again. I think the clean way to do it is just the way I shouldn't have used go to. It's just old habits die hard. What I should have or could have done if I wanted to write it that way. I mean, this is clean anyway. Oh, not you just have to prove. It's just having like stuff like, wrap it in a thing, right? I don't know, right? Right, and then you don't even have this anymore. Just this is return true, and then return false, right? And then now we just do while loop. That's it, really. I mean, you could also maybe like make it return the cat or something like that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, this is a little bit hackier still, but it's just to show this is how I might have done the equivalent of a go-to statement instead. I should have timed this actually. I mean, it's fine. But yeah, but I think one trick that you can do if you were doing AdWords code is that as soon as you notice that this is taking some time, right? Open up another window and see if you can work on it, just in case that it never terminates for whatever reason, or that, it does terminate and takes 3 minutes. Maybe you still work on it 3 minutes later, right? So yeah, so don't kill it, do whatever. That's all I have for this one. I don't think I have that much more comment. I mean, this is going to be n to the 4th, the way that, this is actually the way that I wrote it is 10 to the 4th. With the return thing, I am curious whether, I mean, I guess in the worst case, the other thing is going to be n to the 4th. It's just not super interesting as an input. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, do mental health. I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow if you want to come back. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.